my school, a happy place with smiling friends and teachers' grace. We learn and play the whole day through. So much to learn and so much to do. From ABCs to numbers bright, we fill our minds with knowledge light. With books and pencils, we explore the world outside and so much more. The playground calls with swings so high, we laugh and run beneath the sky. In classrooms warm or fields so green, my school is the best I have ever seen. Hey friends, if this video is useful for you, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.